Did you know that 7 out of 10 girls feel like they aren't good enough or they don't measure up? I'm talking about things like they feel like they're not pretty enough, or that they aren't a good enough student, or that they're not a good enough friend, or even a good enough daughter. 7 out of 10 girls feel inadequate. This idea tends to crop up in middle school because this is when they become more self aware. They begin to understand how they relate to the world around them. And so they get this idea that they don't measure up. This is why I've created a full day event just for girls in middle school. It's called You Got This. It's from 9:30 to 5 on September 29th, and it is chock full of speakers. I have 8 amazing women who are coming to support your daughter. 8 entrepreneurs, including myself, who remember very well, very vividly, how teenager life was, or tweenager life even. The other day, I had a meeting with all of the speakers, and a few of us were in tears because we realized how powerful and how impactful this event is going to be for middle school girls. We're going to talk about all sorts of things: confidence, personality type, fashion, social media. We're going to talk about grit and growth mindset, conflict resolution, connection. So many amazing speakers. Your kids are going to be very entertained, but more importantly, they are going to head into middle school with this boost of confidence and this boosted self-esteem and this understanding that there are many, many people in the world who are supporting them and who are rooting for them. And my circle of support, all of the speakers that are coming this day, they are going to be part of an ongoing group throughout the year that you will have a chance to sign your daughter up for if you are interested, if she is interested. But September 29th, put it on your calendar, sign your daughter up now. There are limited seats because we just are limited by the space that we're in. We're at the Hyatt House this year, and we actually have an amazing day planned for parents as well. The parent event starts at 1:30, and one parent can come for every daughter who signed up. So one parent will listen to the speakers from 1:30 to 5, and at the very end, 4:30 to 5, we're going to have a big group circle. Parents and daughters are going to come together, and we're going to wrap it up and share what we learned, and then you'll move forward with intentional intentional goals for the school year and for the next few years. So I invite you to sign your daughter up at teenyseattle.com/you got this. Again, that's teenyseattle.com/you got this. If you have any questions, please email me, text me, let me know what your questions are, and get your daughter signed up because I would hate for her to miss it. This day is going to be a life changer for sure. So parents, don't let her miss out. Sign her up now. You got this.